Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Subscribe to Save order for the month of February. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products. They have essential oils, they have household cleaning products, they have personal care products, and they even have supplements and nutritional items that are all essential oil infused. And so I participate in Young Living's Subscribe to Save program, which means that I am committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And so each month I can go in and I can pick and choose the items that I want to have sent to me each month. It's very flexible. You can change the date that you want to have it shipped. You can change the items each month. But the perks of being on the Subscribe to Save program is that you get to bank 25% of whatever you spend in Young Living points to spend towards free products. And so I think that's a good deal. So each month I usually have a combination of essential oils, household cleaning products, and personal care products. And so we're going to get into this box to see what I have for this month. When you open it up, I've got my packing slip here that I'm going to set to the side. And the first thing that I see is something that I order probably every 4 to 5, maybe 6 months. And it is the Thieves household cleaner. And it's a very small bottle, but it lasts a really, really long time. You only use 1 to 2 capfuls in a spray bottle, or if I'm mopping my floors, I'll use 1 to 2 capfuls in a bucket of mop water, and it lasts a really, really long time. I love the Thieves household cleaner because it is a safe and non-toxic way to clean your counters, your floors. It's safe for your pets and your children, and so this is something, like I said, I get every probably 5 to 6 months. And so I was running low, and so I thought I'd go ahead and get a bottle of the Thieves household cleaner. And so it says, combining the strength of Thieves essential oil blend with naturally derived plant-based ingredients, Thieves household cleaner brings you superior cleaning power that's just as safe as it is effective. This ultra-concentrated multi-purpose solution can be used on virtually every surface in your home and is safe enough to use around every member of your family, including children and pets. And so on the back of the bottle, it gives you the solution to the dilution ratios for, it says most cleaning applications, heavy degreasing, light degreasing, and glass. And I do have to admit that this is a wonderful glass cleaner. I use it on my mirrors and my glass all the time, and it leaves it completely streak-free, which I love. So, and it mentioned that it has the Thieves essential oil blend in it. So for anybody who knows anything about Young Living, Thieves essential oil is one of their popular essential oil blends. Let me read to you what's in that blend. All right, so the Thieves essential oil blend has clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata, and it's based on the story of a legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol. And so they have a whole Thieves line, and I love, love, love the Thieves household cleaner. And then next in my box, I've got 2 tubes. So I'm going to start with the bigger one first. And tubes usually contain essential oils and things like that. So first off, oh, this is not an essential oil. This is a favorite of my husband. It is the Shutran Beard Oil, and we order one of these every month because he usually goes through 1 bottle a month. And the Shutran Beard Oil has the Shutran Essential Oil blended in it. So let me read to you what's in the Shutran Essential Oil, and then I'll read about the beard oil as well. And so the Shutran line is a line dedicated to men's care, and it says freshen up with shaving and grooming products specifically formulated for men, all featuring naturally derived ingredients and premium essential oils. Our men's line includes everything busy men need to care for skin and body, leaving a head-to-toe clean and natural confidence. And so we've tried the beard oil, and that's about it, I think. I really do think my husband would like the other products, and I really need to get those for him to try. But the Shutran Essential Oil Blend has Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, Coriander, Divana, Lavender, Cedarwood, Lemon, and Northern Lights Black Spruce. And I would love to get that essential oil blend for him because I think it would make for a really nice cologne. And so the Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil Blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And he loves it, so we get it every month. Next in that tube is one of my staples that I get every month during especially the fall and the winter months, and that is the Raven Essential Oil Blend. This one is great for supporting the respiratory system, and it also helps support the immune system. So Raven has a combination of essential oils in it. So let me read to you what's in it. All right, so the Raven Essential Oil Blend is a cleansing blend of SARA, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat, and the ingredients are SARA, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And so Raven is great for diffusing, like I said, to support the respiratory system, but it's also a really good one to add a few drops to coconut oil and apply to the chest, the throat, the back if you need some additional respiratory support. I tend to diffuse it at night with this next essential oil blend, and I mentioned the Thieves household cleaner, but here is the Thieves essential oil blend, and I will diffuse equal parts of these two essential oils in my diffuser. I like to do about 12 drops in my diffusers when I diffuse, and so I would do about 6 drops of Thieves and 6 drops of Raven to support the respiratory system and the immune system. Thieves is really well known for supporting the immune system. And so, like I said before, the Thieves has the clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. Thieves smells great in the diffuser because it smells almost like Christmas in a bottle. It's the perfect essential oil to diffuse in the fall and the winter because of the essential oils that are in it have that really nice fall winter smell, but I really use it all year long just to support our family's health and wellness. And that tube is empty, and then I have this little itty bitty tube, and oh, I remember what it is. I ordered a brand new essential oil blend. I try to order something new almost every month. So for this month, I decided to try the SARA essential oil blend. I've heard people talk about this and about how great it smells. So let me open it up and smell it real quick. Oh, that does smell really nice. I'm getting hints of floral in there. So let me read to you what it says about the SARA essential oil blend. All right, so the SARA essential oil blend comes in a 5 milliliter bottle. It says SARA is a blend that is designed as a soothing scent to be used during difficult or emotional times. So its ingredients are sweet almond oil, ylang ylang, geranium, lavender, orange, citrus hystrix, blue cypress, divana, jasmine, German chamomile, rose, grapefruit, tangerine, spearmint, lemon, ocotea, blue tansy, cedarwood, and white lotus. And so it has several essential oils in it. Let me smell it again. It just smells really, really nice. Like I said, I smell the floral in it, but it's not like an overpowering, overwhelming floral scent. It just smells really, really nice. And so I'm excited to try to diffuse that. But I also think it would be good to apply on the wrist as a perfume. I think that would smell really, really nice. So here is my subscribe to save order for the month of February. It's a small order. I've been doing Young Living for, I think I'm on my 7th year, maybe 8. And so my orders aren't as big as they were when I first started, because now I'm just basically replacing the items that need to be replaced and trying some new items here and there, because I like to try new things from Young Living. I really enjoy their products, and I love the way they just help support my family's health and wellness. When I diffuse essential oils, it just gives me that uplifting or calming scent, and I just really enjoy that. So I have the Thieves Household Cleaner, the Shutran Beard Oil, the Thieves Essential Oil Blend in a 15 milliliter, the Raven Essential Oil Blend in a 15 milliliter, and then that new Essential Oil Blend SARA in a 5 milliliter bottle. If you have any questions about Young Living, please let me know. I highly recommend everything that they have to offer. Like I said, I've been doing it for a long time. I'm going to leave my membership number in the description box below. That would allow you to go into their website and get some items to try for yourself. Until next time, bye guys.